Hi everyone. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a dependent drop-down list, like this. First, let's add a list for category. Let's have a sample of fruits and vegetables. Now select the list and give it a name. Make sure these two names are the same. Do the same for the other list. Now for the product list. Use this formula. Your dependent drop-down list is ready. Now if you want to apply this to multiple cells, remove the $sign. And your list is ready. Now, let's make an auto-updating drop-down list. Convert your source data into a table and give it a name. Now repeat the same formula. Let's try it out.